So welcome back guys to yet another welcome back to yet another Brembo video, but this time it's gonna be a little bit different. I'm not gonna be reviewing the Brembo components because I've already did that on my previous video. In that video, I said that the braking performance was awesome and it's not a necessity for you to own unless you are doing track or sports riding. The reason why I'm not doing a review is because that it's obviously a Brembo and it's obviously great. This is just gonna be another video where maybe you could learn how to install or learn a couple of things along the way. By the way, this video is supported by my friends over at HMC Enterprise. They provided me with a motorcycle mat which I will be using throughout this video. As you can see here, if you are interested, they have a few designs available and you can find the contact information down in the links below. If you are based in Singapore or Malaysia, then you can get your orders delivered to you in about a week or so. Come here. You can get a 10% discount if you use the code which I will put up on the screen somewhere here. But if you are from another country, then the price of the delivery varies. Even though they are my friends, I'm gonna give you my honest review about the mat. They don't pay me or whatever, alright? So I'm just gonna be honest AF. It is quality, really, alright? It has kind of like a suede up top and anti-slip rubber on the bottom. It's just quality, man. Quality. Before we continue with this video, just do me a favor. If you are watching me from your smartphones and on full screen, then I will just request you to do this, to enjoy the full screen of your smartphone. Enjoy the rest of the video, and as always, ride safe.
time to whistle.